Alright, I just went to the basement and picked up the first lot of Christmas stuff from an online auction, and I'm gonna go get my second lot.
No, I have a lot of research to do down in the so it might be a day or two.
Down to the basement. I'm on my sleep. Okay, that's the second trip. I'm about to probably take at least 2 more trips. This is the house. Looks like no one's mowed the lawn in a while. Alright, back to the basement. Alright, trip number 3. I just brought up 2 more boxes. Ornaments, office supplies. I think I'm about to make 2 more trips, and I am freaking tired already. Quarantine makes people out of shape. Alright. Okay, just came back from my 4th trip. This is 2 boxes of office, 2 boxes of supplies. One's office, one's cards. These were on top of the other box. I just carried them up because I feel like they're gonna fall. Alright, one last trip to get a big box. Alright, the last box is in. I'm exhausted. Trunk full of stuff. Alright, I just loaded up the car with the 7 lots from an estate sale in Ferguson, which I'm sure a lot of people have heard of Ferguson. But yeah, this is an older neighborhood. So of course everyone was wearing a face mask, so I wore my face mask, but we can take that off now. Alright, hold 1 minute. I gotta do the navigation. We're going directly to Jenny's house to take her stuff. Which one is Jenny's address, Abby? My daughter's with me and she's laughing. Which one is Haley's address? Oh, which one is Jenny's address?
Does she live in Manchester?
What, have I not plugged her address in here? She's got to be in here somewhere.
How do you have Texas Roadhouse?
I don't know. What is her address? Oh my goodness.
Want me to call Jenny?
Yeah, but you have to do it real quick because I can't do it by...
Hey Siri, call Jenny.
I thought for sure we'd gone there before.
Just a moment.
Dude, what? Okay, I'm just gonna do it manually.
You'd think I'd have my sister's address memorized. I'm sorry, I do not. But I know how to get there when I'm coming from my house, but since we're coming from Ferguson, I don't know how to get there.
You can't say hit her address over. She doesn't answer.
I'm gonna pause it real quick while I get my sister's address. Alright, we're leaving the estate sale. My daughter is with me, but she did not help at all. So I just had to make...
You left me in the car.
How many trips did I just make? 5 trips?
I wasn't paying attention. I was watching a video.
So I had 7 lots. So this one had, I don't know, 4 or 5 Christmas lots. And everything ended Sunday night last week. And the one Christmas lot I really wanted, it ended at 10 p.m. My bedtime is 9 because I get up at 4.
Turn left onto Monceau Drive and then turn right.
Wait a minute, she's talking. I get up
You get in bed at 9 and you read books until 12.
That's not true at all. Anyway, I get up at 4 a.m. because I start work at 5
She wasn't in
a.m.
bed at 9. Can I watch Outer Banks now?
In a minute. So anyway, when I went to bed on Sunday, the one Christmas lot I had, the last time I checked, it was 9:30. I had it. Well, the next morning,
Turn right now.
I lost it. All right, it said make a right. So I did not get the main Christmas lot I wanted because I collect vintage Christmas, but I did get all the others. So I got a couple Christmas lots. That's fine. A couple Christmas lots and a couple office supply lots that Jenny likes. And one bar thing lot and one playing card lot. So we're on our way to Jenny's house to take her the stuff now, and then I will show you all the stuff we got. So this one, they had everything. They had all my 7 boxes together in the basement, so that was nice. Unfortunately, I had to walk all the way to the back of the house, down these steps to get the stuff, so it took me a couple minutes, but it's fine. I got all kinds of junk, so we'll show you in a little bit. All right, Holly's back at my house. She just took everything out from the auction. So this is her Christmas stuff. Okay, so this box was $5. Oh my God, you got a little ceramic tree. Is that a new one or an older one? I don't know. Oh, that's a new one, but that's still nice. All right, so this box of Christmas was $5. This is the tinsel we always use, the big long strands. That is pretty darn cool. Okay. That box of ornaments was $4. These are all from the 80s because this one has a year on it. As I break it, where's the year? 1985. All right, go ahead. This box of cards, I paid a little bit more. This one I paid $21 for. 21? That's yes, okay. Sorry. You were real high. Got a little competitive spirit there. That's okay. So this one here was classified as barware. We did actually pay $7 for that. Okay. Bob's already been looking through it. He's so excited. Look at this coaster. So we have. It's Mr. Peanut. So there were 2 boxes of office, so I think these 2 must have been together. Yeah. And then that one. So one box of office was 8, and the other box of office was 11. So I just got the office stuff because of my junk journaling, and I just love sorting. Did you see that? Was the cat sorting? I thought that was neat looking. That's pretty neat. I love sorting through junk like this. Oh my God, this is an old time binder. Oh, Jean binder. That's old. That's cool. All right. So Holly, show us your. All right, so these $21 worth. Okay. Well, no, I counted the cards to see how much I was paying per each card. So here is. That's an interesting box. How they slide open. This Frisco. Oh, that's an old box. Christmas greeting. So these must have been advertisement ones from a salesman. That's pretty cool. So this box had 6 boxes of cards there. So the counter thing. That's worth at least 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 more double decks of the Frisco. That's neat. So I think I figured out what did I say? I was paying $2 a box for cards. Look at that box. That looks like it's flocked. That's a nice box. So if I had 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm paid like $2 a box of cards. And then these are something I don't know. It's trying to retire. Let's go. Let's retire. Aren't we all retired now? Stay at home. So, wait, this one, the reason I got this one is because I could see these from a distance, and I was banking. You couldn't tell if they were plastic or glass, so I got them just to be safe. Unfortunately, they are plastic. So it's not the plastic. It's not the mercury ones, but I still like the tinsel. This is worth it for the tinsel, I think. I still like the tinsel, so I'll be happy with that. Oh, I'll take the Christmas star. That's really nice. All right, so these are new ornaments, but I don't remember why I got this one. I don't know why you got it either. But it's got a bunch of 80s goodness in it. Someone made that one.
That's a precious one, it's not?
This is no, this is not precious, but it's like, I forgot the name of that designer.
Special moments.
Special, no, it was before Precious Moments. It was definitely very 80s.
Wait, what's that Santa Claus at the bottom?
Which one? I don't know.
I had that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Do you think you had that one?
I think I did.
And then this one I got just because it was more.
I don't want it. I don't want to take nobody's Santa.
Holly can.
No, she keeps it.
You can have it. See, she wants you to have
Thank
it.
Thank you.
It's like, I remember that. This one I got because. Oh, look at that old vintage down there. One, I saw this. Yeah. Oh, here, Jenny, we're going to totally throw this on your tree this year. Do you remember? Yes. When you would just take these and just throw them all over the tree. Good. You can't do that with cats. You can't do that with cats. Those were the best.
Sunny, I'll leave it. Be fun doing it though.
You got some good stuff, Holly. So did you talk about how this was another social distancing one? Yeah. So was it easy? You just pulled up today? Yeah, so the lady came, well, the person who pulled in the driveway was doing furniture, and a new car pulled up and kind of took up the whole thing, and it was kind of hard for me to walk by with the big box, but I did. That's an old box.
Yeah.
So you had to carry everything? Did Abby help you? No, Abby did not help. I had to make, I believe, 4 trips. You'll see. So you already talked about it in the beginning? Yeah. Okay. So. Oh, well, thank you for picking this stuff up for me. I'm very excited. No problem. Very excited. Is this a paddle? What is this? That's, I don't know. You can have that if you want that. I don't want to pay a paddle. Here, maybe there'll be like $1 billion in here. Yes, that's definitely $1 billion. Maybe there'll be $1 billion in here. No, if I can get it open. If I can get it open. Ooh. There's a penny! We got a penny! And you broke it.
Harder minded.
Oh!
Oh my god.
You just broke my finger. Oh my god. Maybe there's $1 billion in here. What is in here? Here, open that. There's
gold teeth.
Oh, here's a key. I'm sure.
Key to the
I'm sure
destiny.
I'm sure that Bob. I'm sure this key is to $1 billion somewhere. Yes.
Yeah. Carter Mondale. How do you like that?
482.
I don't know what that means, honey.
Jimmy Carter, my friend.
Oh, okay.
There's a piece of candy.
Oh yeah, that's a good stuff right there.
Reelette Carter.
That could be worth something. Maybe. Very interesting. Looking through other people's evening compartments. I feel like we're an episode of Goonies. Here, don't squish. This is the most prized possession right here. It's an old penny, game thing. I don't know.
Oh, from the quarter machine.
Quarter machine.
Yeah.
There's a cross.
And it's a cross. God loves you.
Feel the shells on that one.
That's a very pretty one.
Ooh. Here, we can make a
Whoa.
honor
Holly,
and remember.
That is a wreath. That's a ribbon for like a wreath at a funeral.
Okay. So no face mask out of that.
No.
Oh my god! Yes! Pager!
Oh my god.
I am so excited.
Look at that.
We're gonna play with the pager.
Start wearing a pager.
Holy cow.
Oh my god, a pager. I love it. Is that like tapes or what is that? Staples? Gold. Gold nugget.
Runner opener? No? Nice.
I think scissors.
It's like
Promotional.
a nail file thing.
Yeah.
I liked it better when it was gold.
Nice.
What are you doing? You just scared us.
I accidentally slammed the door. I don't know what.
Did you get tired of Animal Crossing?
All right, I'll be in 2
Is
seconds.
this like a game?
It's gotta be, but I don't understand the concept behind it.
Don't give it to Abby. She'll break it in 2 seconds.
Why would you smell like
What's-
old? That's the first thing that she does is she tries
All
to
this
smell
stuff
it.
smells like old.
What did happen? Did someone like die and it's like
Okay. We don't know what
see
happened.
what happens?
Abby, I'm doing a video, so enough of your
I do.
morbid
I like it.
musings.
This you could. I like these.
Oh, that's
The old
useful.
What
tape
is
measure.
this?
Yeah.
You put money in that. It was like you
Okay.
kept your pennies and your nickels and your dimes and your quarters sorted.
No gold in that one.
Oh, this is sure it's gotta be money in here.
It's rubber bands.
Oh,
That's a good try.
Gotta be money.
Does it work?
It looks like money.
Okay, give me the lighter. No, you are not allowed to play with fire.
Abby is not allowed to play with
Eraser stick refills.
Oh, that's.
All right,
oh,
so-
yeah.
Those are the things I told you about, Mom. You know that you can.
All right,
I
Abby's
asked
out
my
here
mom
and
if I could,
recording.
if I could make 3 mechanical pencils last my whole 8th grade year, can I have $20?
Yeah.
Like that's an accomplishment.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I
thank
use
you,
like a
Holly.
100
You're welcome. Thank you. And we're
then
gonna have
I'm
new
on
goodies next
mechanical
weekend.
pencils. Those are
I'm
the
liking Holly's doing all my estate sales
These are
for
tiny
me.
erasers. What the
She,
heck?
everything's online now. She bids online. She shows me what's out there, and
You
she
gotta-
goes and picks it up
They
and
have a
brings it
picture.
to
You
my
have to
house.
like really look at the picture really good, like enlarge it.
I know some of
Mama,
them.
you
they're
got your
not-
$20
Yeah.
pencils?
Well, these online sites aren't taking tons of pictures like eBay people.
Well, I mean, so like when they do a box like this, they kind of do it from a distance, and you don't know when it's random stuff like this. You don't know which thing someone's gonna like. Like
Yeah.
this one, we got it because of the coasters,
Right.
and like this one, I got because of the tinsel. I don't know why I got this one.
Abby's excited. She has a ruler.
She has a
She can
ruler.
spank people now. All right, that's it. We're
That's
going.
gonna
Oh, there she goes.
And
Here we go.
the war
The war
begins.
starts.
The war starts.
This doesn't end well, I can tell you right now.
There's two
Oh my
rulers.
God, she's got
All
two
right,
of them.
thank you, Holly.
You're welcome, Jenny.
It's cool.